Hello guys, welcome back to new milestone, and in this milestone we are going to learn why Arduino is so famous, why everyone is crazy about Arduino, whether he is a student or working engineers or a scientist. So the number one reason is ease of use. It's very easy to use. It's just like a fun. Even if you are a kid, even if you are a non-technical person from non-technical background like from BCA, MCA or from B.Ed, you can use the Arduino. So this is number one reason, because it's very easy to use and you don't need to have a degree or a very strong technical knowledge. With just a training of only 30 days, you can start building amazing hardware using Arduino. Whatever is going in your mind, you can just create that. And the another reason why it's so famous, it's just a plug and play device. You just need Arduino, and after that you just need a cable. With the help of that cable, you can just plug the Arduino to your computer and you will start building the hardware. If I talk about other microcontrollers, they need programmers and loads of other supporting hardware, different type of protocols like 8051 or PIC microcontroller or AVR microcontroller. They need the bootloader, or you can say the programmer or the burner, you can say that, right, which just burn the program from your laptop to the microcontroller. But it's Arduino Uno board is a complete in itself. You just need a USB cable, right, or you can say the printer cable. With the help of that, you can just attach to your laptop and just start working on the Arduino. It's very simple plug and play device. And the next big reason is a big community, because it's open source, as I already told you in the previous tutorials as well. So there is a very big community. You will find lot of support around you regarding Arduino. You are not alone. If you stuck somewhere, you can just go online. You will find lots of forums or blogs or YouTube videos or lots of type of Facebook groups which are just discussing the Arduino development or the type of problem they are facing. So if you stuck somewhere, you just go online, you will find help immediately. So this is another reason why Arduino becomes so famous, because the community is very big. The people who are supporting is very big community. And the next big reason is libraries. Working with other microcontroller is a very big headache, because you need to write each and every line of the code to program, let's say LCD, or let's say a relay, or let's say I2C protocol for the EEPROM. But here you need you have a lot of library. The libraries are very big. You can find lots of library from GitHub, and throughout the world people are developing library. Even if some new sensor came in the market, you will find the library within a week of Arduino. But if I talk about other microcontrollers, you have to build their library, or you can see the code step by step for a long period of time. Even if you are going to interface a LCD, then you have to write down codes of approximately 100 lines. But that is not the case in Arduino. And DHT servo.h, you can see over here, and servo.h. So these are the library. So this is DHT11 sensor, which is temperature and humidity sensor, but you just need one line DHT.h and that's done. Now you just need to attach the DHT11 sensor, which will measure the temperature and the humidity, and you will get the data on the display monitor of your laptop, or you can say on the LCD. If I talk about this servo.h, so just you need this one line library. Now you can interface servo motor. So these type of library support is very big in Arduino, but that's not possible, or that's not available in fact in other microcontrollers. So this is again the very big reason why Arduino is becoming so much popular nowadays. What if I told you that 90% of engineering students graduate without knowing how to build real hardware? While others are struggling with outdated textbook and theory-based courses, smart students are mastering the exact skill that tech companies are desperately looking for. Arduino and embedded systems engineers are earning 400% more than the regular programmers. Hi, I am JS Rana. I have created the world's largest Arduino Mastery course. The same systems used by PhD students, professors, and working engineers to build breakthrough technologies. This isn't just another course, it's a complete innovation-based Arduino ecosystem. Everything you need to go from complete beginner to innovation expert level. Here you will get complete Arduino Mastery for all variants. 100 plus real-world projects, source codes, circuit diagrams, designs, simulations, circuit schematics, libraries, live hardware projects, PhD level content that even professors uses, with lifetime course access and updates and much more. Plus exclusive bonuses worth 23,596 rupees, like how to start your own Arduino based business and make money, how to complete big companies R&D projects in a day, while others are taking months and months, and you will get industry grade certification and much more. Click the link below go and start building your future today. Then another reason is Arduino IDE, which is like the development software where you will write the code. It's available everywhere. Basically, there are three main operating systems nowadays which is working in the market, like the Windows or the Mac operating system provided by Apple. Windows is provided by Microsoft. Then the free operating system, which is Linux. So the Arduino IDE, or you can say integrated development environment for the Arduino, is available everywhere. So because of its ease of availability, everyone is using this. If it's available on the Windows, then you can think it's not going to be popular worldwide, but it's available on all the platforms, whether it's Mac or even web browser as well. On Mac, web browser, Linux, Windows, everywhere it's present. And you will find the app as well, mobile phone app as well, where you can just program your Arduino. So you just need to attach the USB cable to your mobile phone, and from your mobile phone as well you can program your Arduino. So this is the beauty of this Arduino environment, and that's why it's become so popular in the world. Then another reason why it's becoming so popular, because whatever is going in your mind, you just think the idea and you can implement that idea in the real world, whether it's a dustbin or plant monitoring, burglar alarm, or IoT based home automations, or security system of your car, tracking your car, accident alert, the blind people assistance, whatever you can think, you can build with the Arduino, because of its easily availability of the library and the sensors and the use of ease. That is also the reason why Arduino is becoming so much popular nowadays. You just need to be creative. Then you are free. You just need just Arduino Uno and some components around that which you are thinking, and just program it, and you will get the final output in the form of real world hardware, which you can use, which you can scale, which you can sell in the market. And in the coming tutorials, or you can say the bonus, I have also provided in this course, where I'm going to teach you how you can do very complex problem which usually take in other microcontrollers for months and one and a half month approximately. You can do those type of coding or hardware build up within a day. It's possible because of the AI tools I'm going to teach you. We have our own AI tools as well. We have our lots of AI apps as well, which is helping the students from electronics and electrical engineering to be more innovative, to scale their whatever they are doing, right? So thank you so much. This is all about this tutorial. Let's move for the next tutorial. And also let me tell you one more thing. In each and every video tutorials, there is a resource below. You can just download, where you will find the notes of this particular video, or if I talk about any other videos available in this course, you can find their resources over there, right? You just download them, and it's a quick notes. You can just go through to just refresh the concept even after years, or you can say after few months. Thank you.